What's up, everybody? This is Joe with the Book Bundler, and we're going to do some product reviews today. According to the website, we have a huge overstock of young adult chapter books. So let's go take a look at these. Okay, so here we got a couple packs. We'll just grab a couple off the shelf. Okay, so the first thing, these are our young adult mixed chapter. We got a couple we just grabbed off. You can see, first off, these are in great shape. They look almost new. Every single product we have goes through this grading process, where even though these are used books, they're checked for quality. So you can see these, like, look at the edges on these. They're checked. People, our employees flip through them. So unless they're marked beater, they're gonna be in good shape. They're almost like new. Here's one that's a little rough. You can kind of see some of the creasing. But here's kind of an example of what you're gonna get in the young adult mixed chapter. You're gonna get both boy and girl books. You'll get series, Maximum Rod, Sarah Dessen, John Green. You get some stuff for girls, some guys. Again, everything in great shape. Everything's checked. They're bag tagged. Here's another example. And these are all young adult chapters, so there are no pictures at this point. They're for a little bit older kids. We usually say 13 to 18 is a good range of types of books. So I hope this is shows you kind of what you're going to get in these packs.